Hi, my name is Grace. I'm a virtual assistant, and I will follow you in this presentation. You can learn the material in different ways. So, let's choose your path. You can go with regular slides at your own pace. You can watch short videos. I will assist you. Finally, you can watch interactive videos in virtual reality if you have VR glasses. So, choose your path and click the corresponding button. Watch the short video. Try not to skip the video content because I would like to discuss it with you at some moment. Use video speed buttons when available on the top left corner.
Hi, in this video I will talk about software engineering and software project management in general. First, let's talk about motivation. Why do we need to use software engineering methods, although we can create software without using it?
Hi there. Would you like me to assist you?
Let's see a video for a minute.
Some people like to climb mountains. I like to build planes in the air.
I grew up wanting to be on a wing, wanting to be in this high.
Sometimes the temperature up at altitude will reach 60 below. It's brisk, it's refreshing.
You never know what you're going to come across up here. Canadian geese, mallards.
Owls. These people back here, that's why I come to work. That's why I build airplanes in the sky.
We're not just building a plane here. We're building a dream.
I love this job.
Look at a lot of things up here. When I look over there and I see that little kid, I look in his eyes, that's all the things I need.
This video is called If Programmers Have to Make a Plane. Is the situation familiar to you? Well, if you already developed the software, some moments might be familiar. Is this way to develop a software? Of course not. There are more jokes. Many of them include comparing building and software construction. Why is that? I guess it's because buildings, at least most of the time, are trustworthy creations, while software, even from respectable companies, fail more often. Why? It's because the civil engineering discipline counts hundreds of years, while software engineering just a few decades. So, it is important to use software engineering methods. Is the situation improving now? Look at the diagram on the left, with a summary of failed, challenged, and successful projects. Successful are the projects which were finished on time with given resources. Challenging are the projects which were finished but constraints were violated. For example, the project was not delivered on time or more budget was required to complete it. And the failed projects are the cancelled projects. As you can see, the situation improved until the year 2002, but later the progress stopped. This is because the software we created years ago and now is different. We will investigate the key challenges that are related to this diagram, but now I want to stress two things. First, increasing software complexity. As new software engineering techniques help us to build larger, more complex systems, the demand change. Systems have to be built and delivered more quickly. Larger, more complex systems are required. And second, many companies still do not use a disciplined approach and software engineering methods.
Let us stop here. I want to ask you, why there are still so many failed projects nowadays? Yes, the increasing system complexity is the major challenge.
So, what is software engineering? There are many definitions.
What would you like to play?
It is time to summarize everything we talk about. The key points are presented in a form of frequently asked questions. What is software? It is computer programs and associated documentation. What is good software? Good software should deliver the required functionality and performance to the user and should be maintainable, dependable, and usable. What is software engineering? It is an engineering discipline that is concerned with all aspects of software production. What are the fundamental software engineering activities? It is specification, development, validation, and evolution. What are the key challenges facing software engineering? Basically, it is coping with increasing diversity, demands for increased scope, reduced cost, delivery times, and developing quality software. What are the best software engineering techniques and methods? Actually, there is no silver bullet. While all software projects have to be professionally managed and developed, different techniques are appropriate for different types of systems. Thank you for watching. I hope the software processes, methods, and tools will be a beloved topic in your professional life.
Hello, in this video I will talk about ethics in software engineering. There are so many people that are using computers and are affected without even noticing it. It is extremely important to know ethics that is related to design, behavior, and usage of computer systems. Firstly, software engineering involves wider responsibilities than simply the application of technical skills. Also, software engineers need to behave in an honest and responsible way to be respected as professionals. The code of ethics is like a guide that software developers should know. And finally, there is a large gray area between.
So, previous working day, I completed with the functional walking of the VR stationary walking type. Today, I'm planning to work on the user interface, which will be dealing with the calibration of the trackers itself.
Yesterday, I worked on the gunplay project, and I was working on mapping the real rifle's trigger with the virtual one. I had some issues with it, but I'm planning to continue it today, and it shouldn't take long. And after I finish that, I'll probably work on some gameplay mechanics, additional gameplay mechanics.
So yesterday I was modeling a virtual exhibition foundation, and today my plan is to detail those spaces' interiors.
Hey guys, this is it.
Nope. This is actually a stand-up meeting, and during a stand-up meeting we simply talk about our last workday, what obstacles we might have encountered during development, and what we're planning to do today. And it's all for the single reason to keep the whole team on the same page.
There were a lot of materials to learn. And you did it. Let our journey into the software engineering discipline start. See you in the next course.